Cameron here with GrassMaster Lawn Service. Just going to show you guys real quick what we have going on today. So let me just walk you around this property. We have the landscape beds that are kind of a mess over the winter. Everything has kind of collected here in the landscape beds. We're going to clean out these leaves, clean out all the debris in here, and we're going to lay some fresh mulch down. So we've got everything blown out right now. We're going to pick these leaves up and clean this up, make it nice and clean, looking for the spring. Got all the leaves cleaned out of the landscape bed over here. Now we have to pull a few weeds and then we'll be ready to lay some mulch. If you live in the Poplar Bluff area and you want your landscape beds mulched, hey, just give me a call, let me know. My name's Cameron with GrassMaster Lawn Service. Reach out to me. I'd be glad to swing by your property, check it out, give you the estimate, and let you know what it would cost to get the job done. Hey, thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate it. Have a blessed day.